Hanap kita. Ready? Teka muna. Baka kayo makaagaw. Andiyan kayo. Oh, ready? Ready? Oh, lakasan mo ha. Oh, ready? Oh, ready? Joy? Oh, ready? Ladies and gentlemen, the next to be married is tarararan! Uy! Sino siya? Sino siya? Best friend ni Joy. Yun, ano pangalan mo? Joyce din? Joyce. Uy, si Joyce. Naghahanap ng mga papangasawa. Meron mo dyan.
Ito.
Single. O yan. Siya nakakagaw, oh. Oh. Si sinong ano dyan? Tingnan mo na. May garter? Meron kang garter? Talagang ready. Oh. Sa mga lalaki. Paano lang? Si Marlon. Okay. Okay. Mr. Yusuf, this is traditional for us. He will remove something from her, which is up, going down. Then he will throw to somebody, you know, the boys. The one who gets it will be the partner of our, Joyce there. Okay, let's do it. Okay. That's it. Marlon! O Marlon naman! Masyado kang rude! You're so rude!
Do it
Oh!
gently.
Ay,
Gently naman. Hoy!
Baka
Pakahinahon.
nagpabalak ng kabayo ah! Uy! Tandaan lang! Hangawin mo lang! Para pati kami makakakita! Oh, sige. Slowly! Oh, you get it? Ha? Bibig? Wag! Okay. Tanggal na. Okay. Uy! This the latest? Mr. Yus, this the latest? Before it's T back. Now letter O. Before it was T. Now O. Okay. Okay, we'll see. Oh, boys, binata. Puto rito, binata. Hoy. All binata.
Joy.
You're binata. No, you are binata.
Hoy!
Okay, all binata. May binata pa ba dyan? Come here.
Join
Kung
na,
ano
join
ito
na.
eh.
Just for fun.
Para kay Marlon. Ikaw
Just
naman,
for fun.
piskita ka ni Marlon eh. Ba't participate ka? Saan
Ito.
Doon. Oh, asan na yung agaw?
Andito sa kabila. Andito
Ay, ito
na.
pala eh. Dito ka. Potong ka.
Isa lang.
Yan. Uy! Asa kayo? Para kayo may iwas eh. Kakagawin yun, hindi. Teka muna. Ang hindi mag-participate na mag-grab, yung makikipag-agawan, will dance. Ha? Okay, ayan. Will dance. Special music. Kaya pag di kayo ng agaw, you have to dance. Okay. Dito kayo nga eh. Ba't nandyan kayo? Dito. Yan. Here. Ready? Okay, ready? Okay. Marlon, ang layo mo. Di yata abot yan. Atras ka pa, atras. Dito ka pa. Slow motion ha. Pag sinabi kong freeze. Okay? Practice lang. Ready? Slow motion. Okay yan. Tama. Correct. Okay. Ready? Okay. Here he is. The groom. Throwing the letter O. Instead of B. Ready? Throw it. 1, 2, Tama-tama yung suot mo. Yeah. 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 Your letter D will be changed to O. Okay, first, do you want him to remove that first before this or direct this? Okay. Hoy, traditional, how to do this? Suot, okay, suot mo na. Oh. How he remove it, you have to put it. It was in the right place before. You have to do that. You saw how he did, di ba? He did like this. Okay. Ready? Okay. Proceed. Okay. Yan. May breeze din. May breeze. Okay. Yan. She's helping. Very helpful.
Very cooperative.
No, didn't reach the destination. It's not there. Hey, huwag ka mag-alala. Freddy Aguilar, 16 years old. How old are you?
Ano, 16 po.
16! Okay. Walang problema yun. Freddy Aguilar case. Absuelto ka. Okay. Yan, okay. Pause kayo para ano, doon ka sa likod. Upo ka sister, siya sa likod. Yan. Yan. Swerte mo, isipin mo, nakagaw ka lang ng dami mong picture. Yan. Yan. Okay. Palakpakan natin.